Charlie, what's your name?
Tad's Arcade Junkie. So we're going to do the video today of the fully refurbished S&A Universal Leisure Clown vending machine. And Anna is going to be the demonstrator. Anna, you going to put the money in? Come on here, not put the money in. I've trained her really well. She's really well trained.
Let me show what I can do when I finish with a tip for you.
Anna's going to show you it working, aren't you? When you get round from there. You okay? Let's watch the clown. Go on, Anna.
Stop. Don't go away.
Not that one.
Your present today.
Pound coin, that's it. Ready, guys? She's just getting it ready. Top one there, lot in there. Good girl. Go up. No. In the hole there, lot. In there.
Hey, can you play the guitar?
Come on, Annie, you can do it. Come on. Ready? Go.
Hello, people think I'm just a clown, but really I'm quite a joker. Do you know? What is a cow's favourite TV programme? Not the Move. I replied with glee. I think that's funny, don't you agree? Enjoy your present. Please call again.
Is that good, Anna? That good? Yay! Do one more. Do one more for the people at home so they can see it. I'll give you 2 goes. Come on, you can do it. No, top one.
I like toys. What's your favourite toy?
While waiting, we're getting a full demonstration of their trap mode as well, aren't we, Anna? You know, put it in, sweetheart. Come on, look. Top of there, look. Ready? Steady, go!
I am Charlie, how do you do? I work in the circus and not in the zoo. So come along and see my act. I'd love to see you, and that's a fact. Enjoy your present. Please call again.
Good? Anna, is that good? Yay!